Here's an example of adding a mixed and a decimal number. Our answer is going to be expressed as a fraction. So looking at 6 and 75 hundredths plus 1.5, we have to change the 75 hundredths to a fraction. So to do that, we can write 75 over 100. And we can simplify that by dividing by 25. 25 is the greatest common factor between 75 and 100. And when we divide in the numerator and denominator, we get 3/4. Another way to look at it as 75 hundredths as 75 cents. We know that 4/4 equal $1. So if there are 3/4 out of 4/4, it equals to 75 cents. So 3 out of 4 is 3/4. So yes, we're going to use 3/4 as our fraction. So I'm going to rewrite 6 and 75 hundredths as 6 3/4 plus 1.5. We know that we have to get a common denominator, and it is 4. You would find that out by using the ratio tables or LCM. So since 4 is our common denominator, we're going to keep the 6 3/4. But we need to change the half, and it's going to change to 2/4. Again, you will use LCM or ratio tables to come up with the new fraction. Now we're ready to add in the numerator, so it's 5 over 4. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. We notice that 5 over 4 is an improper fraction, so we need to change that to a mixed number. So we're going to use division. 5 divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 one time. And when we subtract, we have 1 left over, but we're going to write that as a fraction. So it's 1 1/4. So that 1 1/4 is going to be added to 7. We're crossing out the 5/4 because we've already changed it to a mixed number. So now we have 7 plus 1 1/4. So we're going to add, we're going to bring down the 1/4. And then you're going to add 7 plus 1. And the answer is 8 1/4.